So guys, I've made it back down to H&A Autos again, and we're gonna pick up exactly where we left off yesterday. So for a quick reminder, have a look. We've applied some primer on the passenger side wing. I've removed my mirror caps. I've cleaned those up. We're gonna be painting those black today. I'm gonna be smoking out my side repeaters. Then we'll give the entire car a nice, good old polish. So let's get started. Guys, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, this is the kind of content that you'd like to see, consider subscribing. Let's continue. That's all dry, we can apply some paint. So let's continue. This is where I stop. The precision that's needed to mask these cars up, I leave it to the professionals like Mustafa and his team of people. So this is where I take myself away. So I'm using a Scotch Sprite on all the corners just to make sure I give the paint enough surface area to adhere to. So I've got to key all the surface. There's no denying what we
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Check this car out. Right behind me, it's taken about 3 layers of white paint, a base coat, and about another 4 layers of lacquer. Look at the completed project. Guys, this is the best part of any build, when you can transform the whole look of the car with a good paint job. And as I said to you in the last video, I've got those gloss black grills that I just think are just gonna set it off. You've got the black inners on the headlight, gloss black grills, got the black roof, and don't forget, we're still yet to paint my mirror covers. So it's gonna be a black and white feel to the car. We're gonna smoke out the side repeaters as well. But guys, have a look at, I'm gonna put on this camera roll. Tell me what you think down in the comments down below. Let's go. There we go. How's she looking, guys? So we've gone ahead and completely painted my front bumper. We faded it into the wing a little bit. Painted the passenger side wing. Faded that onto the door. Faded it on, obviously, connected to the bumper and everything. Look at now, guys. Look, now you can really appreciate the black inners on these headlights. It's popping against the white. Just have a look at that. The black inners, angel eyes are working, everything on the headlights just looks amazing. I remember when I got these headlights, a lot of people were saying that they didn't like the look of them. But you have to have the vision, guys, have to have the vision. It's super late again, it's another late night. But this is what we do here at H&A Autos and Salvage Nation, guys. We put in the work. We're still gonna be spraying these bad boys and smoking these out. Once that's done, then everything on this car is gonna be completed. Take a look at that. Guys, let me know what you think of this car so far in the comments down below. We've completely brought this car back from scrap heap. If you haven't seen the work that I've done onto this car, guys, make sure you check out my playlist where I got this car from Copart, fixed it all up, and made it possible to get to where we are today with this car. So let me know what you think of this build and my other build down in the comments down below. So guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me at Salvage_Nation on Instagram. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. Christmas is around the corner. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button and make sure your bell notifications are on. And if you like this content, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you like my content. Guys, we finished spraying the car today, and that's where we're gonna end the video. So if you've enjoyed this content, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you like my content and it gets my content pushed. Let me know, guys, what else you would do to this car. Like I said, all that we've got left to do is once everything dries up, we're going to be putting in a few accessories here and there, putting in my gloss black front grills, putting on my gloss black mirror covers, which are over there. We're going to spray them tomorrow. And we're going to be smoking out the side repeaters, which are right there. But if you've got any other ideas what I can do for this car, guys, let me know. And before we sell this car, I'm going to be doing another video with a full price reveal. I'm going to let you guys know exactly what I paid for it, what everything cost me, and I'm going to put the car up for sale. Once this one goes, I've got another build coming, guys. I think you guys would like it. So yeah, let me know what you think of this build. And if you're watching this, guys, and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Christmas is around the corner. So is a new build, so you don't want to miss that. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure your bell notifications are on so you don't miss anything else from myself. So like I always say, guys, keep it moving, and I'll catch you next time.